This is a teardown of a US Robotics Wireless MAXg router, and it's model 5461. I suspect there's screws under these feet, so we'll do some digging and find out. The case is also snapped together. Nope, no screws. It does have holes for wall mounting though, apparently. Just on the back side though. That's the injection mold point. Or maybe that's the injection mold point. Not sure what this indentation is here. Nothing there. No, this is where the plastic was injected though. You can see the little nub. Well, it looks like this is all snapped together then. Which is interesting. I think I need to pry this away from the frame and then it'll split apart. Nope. Well, my patience is gone. Floor treatment. Ooh. Floor treatment in it a little bit more violently than I thought it would. There's little bits of plastic that flew everywhere. Luckily no bugs in this one. But you see the plastic's discolored from the heat of the CPU, along with some power supply components along this way. Alrighty, looks like we got Broadcom network chip and probably the controller as well. Under that metal can is more than likely the wireless components. I'm gonna guess it's Atheros. Oh, might actually be Broadcom as well. Look at that. Boot flash, RAM, DC power regulation. Well, looks like fuse for the USB port. And this is all Ethernet. So just a US Robotics branded wireless router, basically. And your usual passives on the bottom. Alright, get that flash the right way, just in case I didn't show it already. But yeah, not too much to see. Hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.